Looks like Ford has issued a really large safety recall on the 22 and 23 model year Broncos, more specifically the WILDTRAK and the RAPTOR models. If you have one of these models, listen up. If you were waiting on one of these models, listen up. Because Ford will not release these vehicles unless these repairs have been done. It even says in bold red print here on the safety recall notice that the vehicles in this program are not to be driven until this repair is been performed. This is a steering gear safety recall. Now, again, this is the 22 through 23 Bronco WILDTRAK and RAPTOR models built between August 30th, 2022 and October 26th of 2022. Now, the 2023 models that were built between November 21st, 2022 and March 1st of 2023 are affected. It says the reason for the recall is in some of the affected vehicles, an internal component of the steering gear may have been damaged during assembly. This damage to the steering gear may result in noise, increasing steering efforts, and the potential to not be able to turn the steering wheel while driving, increasing the risk of a crash. Obviously, if you can't turn the steering wheel, you're probably going to crash. It's not something you want to have happen. So they didn't specify what component inside the steering gear got damaged. But obviously it's something that they noticed or found before in a previous vehicle, and now they're not even delivering any of these models until this repair has been done. So if you're waiting on a WILDTRAK or a RAPTOR and the delivery has been held, this is why this repair has got to be done. If you've already taken delivery of one of these, get it to the Ford dealer as soon as possible. This is not something you want to mess around with. The worst thing that could happen is you lose your steering at a highway speed or something, or even at a low speed. It could be detrimental. So get this checked out. I'm sure Ford's going to be issuing these recalls to you at any time. It did not state when they were going to be issued, but it does say do not demonstrate, deliver, or drive these vehicles until it's repaired. So definitely look into that if your vehicle is built between those dates, August 30th, 2022 and October 26th of 2022 for your 2022 model, or a 2023 model, November 21st of 2022 through March 1st of 2023. Check your build dates, check your VIN numbers, check your Ford dealers if your vehicle has been affected. Do me a favor, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button on your way out. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you in the next upload.